Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, automatic air conditioning, low tire pressure warning, front bucket seats. Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.